Introducing the only chainsaw you'll need for the big jobs that need convenient and reliable high performance. The CS-1500 Self-Sharpening Electric Chainsaw from Oregon. Rugged, durable, and easy to use, the CS-1500 is as ready to go as you are. Equipped with a powerful 15-amp motor and an 18-inch guide bar, you're able to tackle almost any job. With its low kickback bar and chain, the CS-1500 is comfortable and easy to use. The CS-1500 is the only self-sharpening corded electric chainsaw on the market. Don't worry if you touch a stone on the ground while cutting. With a simple pull of the red Power Sharp lever, you'll take your chain from dull to sharp in as little as 3 seconds. Oregon's patented Power Sharp technology means you'll never cut with a dull chain again. Perfect for cutting firewood, this low-noise saw is silent between cuts. Enjoy the solid construction of this heavy-duty chainsaw, featuring an automatic chain oiler and toolless chain tensioning system. Offering the ultimate in corded convenience, the CS-1500 is built for long jobs that need uncompromised power and precision. Forget about gasoline. This saw starts instantly with no pull cords, warm-up, or gas mixing. Ergonomically designed, this 12-pound saw is well-balanced and fitted with a comfortable handle to reduce fatigue, so you can keep going as long as the job requires. The CS-1500 Self-Sharpening Electric Chainsaw from Oregon, the only chainsaw you'll need for the big jobs.
Introducing the new 40V Max Lithium-Ion Cordless Chainsaw, part of the 40V Max Cordless family of lithium-ion battery-powered products from Black+Decker. These products kick gas. You'll appreciate the convenience of the tool-free chain tension feature for quick and easy chain adjustments during the job. Simply rotate the inner dial to unlock the bar, and turn the outer dial to adjust the chain's tension for optimal cutting efficiency. This chainsaw is equipped with a premium 12-inch Oregon low kickback bar and chain running at 5 meters per second for a fast cut speed, cutting through 4x4 pine lumber on average 13% faster than Ryobi's RY 4500. The automatic oiling system eliminates priming and assures your bar and chain receive the proper lubrication. The clear window allows you to gauge the oil level. This 40V Max chainsaw offers power, runtime, and versatility, all without the weight, noise, and hassle of gas-powered equipment. At 8.3 pounds, the chainsaw is lightweight and its full wraparound handle provides a comfortable grip in cutting applications. We've put high power in a small, compact lithium-ion battery with long life. The 40V Max 2.0 amp-hour lithium-ion battery included with this chainsaw makes over 60 cuts in 4x4 pine lumber on average per single charge, resulting in 58% more cuts than the Ryobi RY 4500. The 40V Max Lithium-Ion Cordless Chainsaw from Black+Decker.
Get gas performance without the hassles. Rule the outdoors with the 18V X2 LXT Brushless Chainsaw. It's powered by 2 18V batteries for maximum performance and runtime. That means no gas, lower noise, less maintenance, and 0 emissions. The chainsaw has a Makita-built outer rotor brushless motor direct drive system that provides high power efficiency equivalent to a gas chainsaw. It has a variable speed trigger, so you can set the speed to the application. Other features include a built-in LED on-off switch with auto power-off function, which automatically shuts the saw off when operation is delayed for extended battery life. The chainsaw features extreme protection technology, engineered for increased dust and water resistance for operation in harsh job site conditions. It's compatible with Makita 18-volt lithium-ion batteries. With the fastest charge times, Makita lithium-ion tools, batteries, and chargers are backed by a 3-year limited warranty. Equipped with star protection, communication technology between the tool and battery that protects against overload, over-discharge, and overheating. It's part of the Makita 18-volt series, the world's largest 18-volt lithium-ion cordless tool lineup. One LXT system compatible with over 150 solutions.
The Dewalt Flexvolt 60-volt Max Chainsaw has a powerful and efficient brushless motor delivering gas performance with runtime of up to 70 cuts per charge on a 6x6. The low kickback 16-inch Oregon bar and chain has auto oiling for continuous lubrication and a tool-free tensioning system for quick bar and chain adjustments. Dewalt Flexvolt batteries automatically change voltage when you change tools, working with 20-volt max tools and chargers, and providing longer runtime when used with 20-volt max tools. It starts with the pull of the trigger, eliminating the cold starts and carburetor issues that can come with gas-powered chainsaws. Dewalt Flexvolt, power without gas.